Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started to today's video. So today's video is about just a brief introduction to the syllabus of the Maths B IGCSE. So first of all, we have trigonometry, and the subtopics are Pythagoras, which you have guys learned in class 8 and 7. Pretty much you guys are familiar with Pythagoras, but we'll be going through that again. We got SOHCAHTOA, which is a formula. We got sine rule and cosine rule. These topics are pretty easy. We have areas of triangles, quite easy as well. Then we got bearing. This is quite tricky. It can be tricky for some, and some find it very easy. Then we got elevation and depression, pretty easy as well. Okay, algebra. This is the most basic topic in the Maths B, which you have been doing from class 6, and we will just be extending those, and you are going to be needing those knowledges. We got inequalities, variations, standard form, upper bounds and lower bounds, which you guys are not familiar with, I think. This is a new topic for you. Then we have sequences, changing subject, LCM and HCF. You have been doing this since you were a kid. We got a few certs and indices from pure maths, so yeah. We got arithmetic, where we have subtopics as ratio, percentage, map scale, foreign exchange, and speed, distance, and time related maths. Then we got geometry, guys. This is one of the biggest topics of the Maths B syllabus, and it's going to take a long time to cover this syllabus, and it's quite difficult, to be very honest, because you have to familiarize with all the circle theorems that are there. Then we have polygons, which is in and itself a topic of its own, very huge topic, takes a lot of time to be completed. Then we have similarity, which is quite difficult as well, to be honest. Then we have congruency, probably the easiest topic in geometry. Then we have symmetry. Okay, mensuration. 2D figures are quite easy. Students find it easier than the 3D figures, which is, believe me, the most hardest topic in the Maths B. There is no topic that is harder, that gives students more problems than this topic. The 3D figures, that is, mensuration. Then we have vector. I could have written subtopics, but it would have been useless because I will be teaching them simultaneously. Then we have statistics, one of the easiest topics, but I don't know why, but some find it quite difficult. We have pie chart, bar chart, mean, median, mode, and histogram. Probability is also a part of statistics, but I will be teaching that as a whole separate topic. There you go, probability. One of the hardest, if not the hardest. We got matrix transformation. You can do it if you get the hang of it. We have equation graphs, linear graphs, quadratic graphs, distance time graphs. Then we have function, where the subtopics are evaluation, inverse function, mapping diagram, composite function, domain and range, which domain and range is now coming very often in your exams. It didn't come as usually as it does now. Then we have locus constructions, mainly the uses of protractor and compass. Then we got kinematics, which is the study of motion of particles. So yeah guys, I hope you guys have now a deeper understanding of how the syllabus works, and best of luck to you guys, and in the future videos we will be discussing about